Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I make a lot of round planters, and a friend of mine that actually draws in Corel asked me, I told him, I said, I drew it in Corel. He said, well, how did that help you? This is a 12-sided polygon that's actually almost round. It's made out of 2x6s, cedar, and I have quite a few of them. I'm actually pretty proud of my garden. My garden was almost on TV last year. Because of COVID, they didn't put it on the air, but they made the YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link to that video at the bottom of my video because it's pretty impressive butterfly garden. So let's just start, and this is really pretty easy. Take your polygon tool and make it a 12-sided polygon. Hold down your control button to get a perfect polygon. And if you want that polygon, or you want your planter to be 18 inches on the outside, then that's what you can do. Now you need to know, you don't really have to do this other part, but I always kind of do it. Go to effects and contour. Contour to the inside. It's a 2x6, which is actually 1.5 inches. And that's what your planter is going to look like. So this is going to be the middle. And you don't have to do any steps from there, because all you need to know is this measurement of this board from there to there is 4.66 inches, which you could easily get out of a 2x6. But I want to go a little bit step further. I'm going to take this, I'm going to rotate it. We have to see our rotation's gone, but if we go to object and break the contour apart, and get a rotation. We're going to rotate it 15 degrees so we'll get a good flat side. And you don't have to do any of this other stuff, but I like doing it and hitting P. Let's put our pentagon back into the center of the page. And we're going to rotate this thing 15 degrees. And then Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it at negative 15 degrees. This is our angle. I just happen to know it's 30 degrees because it's 12-sided. So this will help you when it's an odd degrees. I like cutting 12-sided ones because it's easy and it's safe on the table saw. So that's what your board's going to look like. And I'm just going to go ahead and go through all the steps and how you would cut this. I've been doing woodworking since junior high, and I'm 67 years old right now. So I've been doing woodworking a long time. 15-degree angle is an easy, safe cut on a table saw. There are some other cuts that could be a little more dangerous. But what I always do is I rip all the boards, I cut them to length, however high I'm going to make the planter. Or I made buckets for, other things, round buckets that would actually hold water. But if you rip this on your table saw, you angle your blade at 15 degrees, and then you put your fence, and you've got your new mitered joint. You just need to measure over and get, you're bought a 2x6, which is actually 5.5 inches. Even though you only need 4.66, make it a little bit bigger instead of wasting the wood, and then you'd put your blade in here and rip the other side using that tip for the fence side. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. And thank you for watching, and click on that link of that video below. I'm pretty proud of that garden. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.